10 natural foods that help cure erectile dysfunction. Today, we're immersing ourselves fully into a topic that holds both intrigue and importance for many of you out there: erectile dysfunction. But wait, we're not merely discussing the issue, we're presenting you with a robust set of solutions. Get prepared to rejuvenate your vitality as we reveal 10 natural foods that serve as your pathway to renewed vigor and confidence. Let's get energized and take action. Food number 1. Spinach. Earning its rightful place on our list, this vibrant green leafy powerhouse showcases remarkable potential in combating erectile dysfunction. Packed with folate, spinach emerges as a nutritional champion, pivotal in enhancing blood circulation throughout the body, including those crucial regions. Folate, a B vitamin, serves to relax blood vessels and promote the flow of oxygen-rich blood, essential for sustaining robust erections. By bolstering circulation, spinach contributes significantly to enhanced sexual function, proving particularly advantageous for individuals grappling with ED stemming from circulatory challenges. So, let's make Popeye proud and incorporate spinach into our diets for improved vascular health and a more fulfilling love life. Food number 2. Watermelon. This juicy and refreshing summertime favorite isn't just about quenching your thirst, it also serves as a natural remedy for erectile dysfunction, ED. The secret lies in its high content of an amino acid called citrulline. Citrulline possesses the remarkable ability to relax and widen blood vessels, akin to the effects of prescription ED medications. When ingested, citrulline converts into arginine, another amino acid known for promoting the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a pivotal role in enhancing blood flow by relaxing smooth muscle tissue in the penis, leading to improved erections. So, indulge in this delicious fruit to potentially enhance your sexual performance and savor its sweet benefits. Food number 3. Oysters. Oysters have garnered a well-deserved reputation as a potent aphrodisiac and a natural ally in combating erectile dysfunction, ED. What sets oysters apart is their notable high zinc content. Zinc, a crucial mineral, is essential for various bodily functions, including testosterone production, which is pivotal for male sexual health. Adequate testosterone levels are vital for sustaining a healthy libido and achieving and maintaining erections. By incorporating oysters into your diet, you're supplying your body with a direct source of zinc, potentially elevating your testosterone levels and enhancing overall sexual performance. So, indulge in these oceanic delights to naturally rejuvenate your prowess in the bedroom. Food number 4. Dark chocolate. Enjoying dark chocolate isn't merely indulging in a tasty treat, it's also a delightful means to promote erectile health. Dark chocolate harbors a group of antioxidants called flavonoids, notably flavonols, which can have a positive impact on vascular function. These compounds aid in relaxing blood vessels and enhancing blood flow throughout the body, including the penile arteries. Improved blood circulation is instrumental in achieving and maintaining erections. Furthermore, dark chocolate can help alleviate stress and anxiety, two psychological factors often associated with erectile dysfunction, ED. Therefore, integrating moderate amounts of dark chocolate into your diet not only satisfies your cravings but also has the potential to enhance your romantic life. Food number 5. Beets. These vibrant, earthy root vegetables can serve as crucial allies in the fight against erectile dysfunction, ED. They boast a wealth of dietary nitrates, compounds that the body transforms into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a potent vasodilator, relaxing and expanding blood vessels, thereby enhancing blood flow throughout the body. This improved circulation is especially advantageous for erectile function, as it facilitates the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to penile tissues, aiding in achieving and sustaining strong erections. Incorporating beets into your diet may help optimize vascular health, making them a valuable addition to your arsenal in combating ED. Food number 6. Garlic. Renowned for its culinary excellence, garlic provides more than just taste, it's a natural ally in the fight against erectile dysfunction, ED. Garlic harbors allicin, a potent compound celebrated for its myriad health benefits. Allicin possesses the remarkable capability to stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a pivotal role in relaxing blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow. Enhanced blood circulation is a crucial element in achieving and sustaining erections. Moreover, garlic aids in lowering blood pressure, contributing to overall vascular health. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you may enhance your sexual performance while bolstering your cardiovascular well-being. Food number 7. Berries. Fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not just tasty treats, they also offer significant benefits in fighting erectile dysfunction, ED. Packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and anthocyanins, these fruits play a vital role in enhancing blood vessel function. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation and shielding blood vessels from harm while promoting flexibility, these compounds contribute to improved blood flow throughout the body, including to erectile tissues. Adding a variety of berries to your diet can promote overall vascular health and potentially enhance erectile function, making them a delicious choice for better performance in the bedroom. Food number 8. Nuts. Nuts, including almonds and walnuts, provide a delicious and convenient means to naturally support erectile health. These nutrient-dense powerhouses are abundant in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating nuts into your diet can assist in lowering cholesterol levels and enhancing cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to erectile function. The healthy fats present in nuts, such as omega-3 fatty acids, can improve blood flow and reduce inflammation, contributing to stronger erections. Moreover, the ample presence of arginine, an amino acid in nuts, promotes the production of nitric oxide, a crucial factor in vasodilation and increased blood circulation. Therefore, integrating nuts into your regular diet offers a delectable and satisfying means to support your sexual vitality. Food number 9. Turkey. Turkey, renowned for its lean protein content, provides a nutritional advantage that can have a positive effect on erectile function. What sets turkey apart is its abundant supply of an amino acid called L-arginine. L-arginine plays a critical role in the production of nitric oxide, which aids in relaxing blood vessels and enhancing blood flow throughout the body, including to the penile arteries. This improved circulation is essential for achieving and sustaining strong erections. By incorporating turkey into your diet, you can supply your body with a generous amount of L-arginine, potentially supporting better blood flow and sexual performance. Therefore, consider turkey as a lean and healthy option for enhancing your erectile health. Food number 10. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds, despite their small size, pack a significant nutritional punch that can greatly enhance erectile function. These seeds are abundant in L-arginine, an amino acid pivotal in stimulating the production of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide aids in relaxing blood vessels, facilitating improved blood flow, including to the erectile tissues. This enhanced circulation is vital for achieving and maintaining strong, enduring erections. Moreover, sunflower seeds serve as an excellent source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, further bolstering overall vascular health and sexual vitality. By incorporating sunflower seeds into your daily diet, you can enjoy a delicious and practical means to naturally boost your erectile health. In conclusion, these 10 natural foods offer promising remedies for erectile dysfunction. It's essential to remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and stress management, is also crucial in overcoming ED. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.